Today, I'm going to show you how to import live data from your Zoho CRM directly into your spreadsheet of choice using Coefficient. So once you've installed Coefficient, open the extension. And from the sidebar, select Import From. Next to Connected Sources, select Add. And then in the search bar, we'll search Zoho and we'll select to connect Zoho CRM. And we will select Authorize. Here you'll be asked to sign in to your account and then click Test. Once you've authorized, you can start your first import by selecting Start from Scratch. This will open the import preview and you can select what data you want to import. So with this connector, you have options to import a list of leads, a list of contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, you name it. So to get started today, let's select Deals and then we'll select Preview. And here you can configure your import exactly how you want it. You can either select all of the fields or you can unselect them and then pick which fields make the most sense for you. And then you see here on the side, there's a preview of what the data will look like. So you can see what actually has data and is meaningful for your import. Grab a few of those. Then here you can also reorder all of the columns so that it will always refresh in the same order in your spreadsheet. So once you're happy with this, you can select Import. And now that that data is in your spreadsheet, you can set it to refresh on an hourly, daily, or weekly schedule. In this case, I will select to have it refresh at 9 a.m. And now that I've shown you how to get started, you're all set to import your own Zoho CRM data and begin creating with live data right in your spreadsheet. So we hope you try it out for yourself, and thanks for watching.